Your brain forgets approximately 70% of new information within 24 hours without reinforcement. This rapid memory decay poses a significant challenge for effective learning and retention of knowledge. Yet, a humble, colorful square of paper fundamentally transforms how we absorb and remember complex concepts. This unassuming tool, often overlooked, holds surprising power to revolutionize your study habits forever. Invented accidentally, the sticky note became a global phenomenon in classrooms, offices, and creative spaces. Its low-tack adhesive allows for easy attachment and repositioning, making it incredibly versatile for dynamic tasks. Students and educators worldwide utilize these small squares for a myriad of essential academic purposes. They transform abstract thoughts into tangible, manageable pieces of information, easily visible and movable. This physical interaction with knowledge enhances cognitive engagement far beyond passive reading or listening. Imagine turning your entire textbook into an interactive, organized, and deeply personalized learning experience. Sticky notes provide immediate access to crucial details without permanently altering original source materials. Their vibrant colors also serve as visual cues, helping your brain categorize and recall specific information more efficiently. These simple tools activate multiple sensory pathways, solidifying new knowledge pathways within your memory. Understanding their unique cognitive benefits reveals why these humble squares are far more powerful than you perceive. The core mechanism behind sticky note learning involves active recall, a superior study method for long-term retention. Instead of simply rereading, you actively retrieve information from memory, strengthening neural connections significantly. Write down a key concept or question on one note, then the answer or explanation on another, creating a knowledge pair. Shuffle these notes, then try to match concepts with answers, forcing your brain to work harder for retrieval. This deliberate practice identifies knowledge gaps instantly, pinpointing exactly where your understanding falters. But that's not the only way these vibrant squares supercharge your brain's ability to learn and remember details.
Spaced repetition, another powerful learning technique, integrates perfectly with the flexibility of sticky notes.
Review notes containing difficult concepts more frequently, while easily mastered information requires less frequent checking.
Imagine a dynamic, self-correcting study system adapting precisely to your individual learning pace and needs.
Requires you can less frequent visually checking. Track your progress by moving notes from individual learning pace and needs. To learn, integrates perfectly with the flexibility of sticky notes, mastered section on a whiteboard. This visual feedback loop provides a tangible sense of accomplishment, boosting motivation for continued study efforts. And then something unexpected happens when you incorporate visual organization into your learning process. Mapping out complex ideas using sticky notes transforms abstract structures into coherent, easy-to-digest visual diagrams. Create mind maps by placing a central topic in the middle, then radiating subtopics and supporting details outwards. Each color can represent a different category or hierarchy level, providing instant visual clues for quick comprehension. This spatial arrangement of information mirrors how your brain naturally organizes knowledge, making recall more intuitive. The ability to rearrange and reclassify notes fosters deeper understanding as you physically manipulate the information flow. Wait until you hear how this simple act of manipulation impacts your long-term memory formation.
Engaging multiple senses, seeing, touching, and writing reinforces the memory trace far more effectively than passive methods.
Reinforces the memory trace far more physical act of effectively than writing on passive a method's note activates motor memory, creating another pathway for information storage. Studies show that handwriting improves information retention compared to typing, especially for complex analytical tasks. Furthermore, the small surface area of a sticky note encourages conciseness, forcing you to distill information into its essence. This process of summarization itself is a highly effective learning strategy, strengthening comprehension and recall. But there's an even more powerful, often overlooked, benefit for collaborative learning environments. Sticky notes facilitate group brainstorming sessions, allowing every participant to contribute ideas equally and simultaneously. Place all ideas on a wall, then collaboratively sort, categorize, and prioritize them, building shared understanding visually. Anonymity provided by individual notes encourages shy students to share thoughts without fear of immediate judgment. This democratic approach ensures diverse perspectives are considered, leading to richer discussions and innovative solutions. Imagine a classroom where every student's voice is literally visible and valued during complex problem-solving activities. The tactile experience of moving these notes also enhances group cohesion and active participation significantly. And this collaborative power extends far beyond the classroom into professional development and project management. Educators use sticky notes to plan lessons, track student progress, and organize complex curriculum units effortlessly. Students employ them for outlining essays, memorizing vocabulary, and breaking down large projects into manageable steps. The visual presence of tasks on a wall serves as a constant reminder, reducing procrastination and improving accountability. This simple visual cue dramatically boosts productivity by keeping your most important tasks front and center. Ultimately, sticky notes democratize knowledge access, making complex information digestible for everyone. They empower learners to become active participants in their education, rather than passive recipients of facts. This engagement cultivates critical thinking skills by encouraging analysis, synthesis, and organization of ideas. For intimidating and more students struggling with approachable for attention or diverse traditional cognitive note-taking styles, sticky notes offer a highly effective, alternative approach.
Their vibrant, portable nature makes learning less intimidating and more approachable for diverse cognitive styles.
This simple innovation drastically reduces cognitive load, freeing up mental resources for deeper understanding and creativity. Imagine the widespread academic success fostered when every student possesses a personalized, adaptable learning system. Educators report increased student participation and improved retention rates when sticky notes are integrated into lessons. The visual mapping capabilities particularly benefit visual learners, transforming abstract concepts into concrete representations. This adaptability ensures that learning environments cater to individual needs, fostering inclusive and effective instruction. Beyond academics, these skills translate directly into real-world problem-solving and effective communication strategies. Professionals use similar visual organization techniques for project management, strategy development, and team collaboration. Mastering sticky note methods provides a versatile cognitive toolkit applicable across virtually all aspects of life. It means transforming overwhelm into clarity, confusion into comprehension, and passive learning into active mastery. This profound impact stems from their unique ability to bridge the gap between abstract thought and tangible interaction. Ultimately, the simple sticky note represents a powerful, accessible tool for enhancing learning and memory retention significantly. It transforms how you interact with knowledge, making studying more active, organized, and genuinely effective for everyone. Embrace these colorful squares to unlock your full learning potential and achieve academic or professional excellence. If you found this exploration fascinating, please consider liking this video and sharing your favorite sticky note hacks below. Subscribe for more deep dives into surprising tools and techniques that will revolutionize your daily learning habits. Join our community dedicated to discovering innovative ways to master complex information and boost your cognitive abilities.